If you ever heard of turkey orange, that's what I did here. Cleaned off the skin off the legs. As you could see, the bottom legs there, they're facing this way, fat side down. I ripped off all the skin on the chicken breast, placed it face down, and the part of the back that you can break, I stuck it in the cavity there. And then we got the two wings. Basically this time, normally you take and you remove the skin from the turkey and stick orange slices. Today we're just going to cover the entire thing with this beautiful tree ripe orange pineapple juice. That should be good. Put in the oven in 350, cook it for a couple hours, and it'll be done. Next video, I'll be taking this out of the oven. Still percolating. Yeah, that's good enough. Don't worry about it. This is all the dark meat, so don't worry about it on the top. Yummy, right? Who would ever have thought? Am I the first person that ever did this? Probably.